Hello everyone, let's make this trendy Ankara headband together. Stay tuned. So we need our Ankara material, we need our scissors, we need our tape rule, and we need our elastic band. We need 3 pieces of the Ankara. We need the long one is unfold 5 by 70. We'll cut it out. This is the long part, that's 10 by 70. We'll cut it out. The second piece is 4 by 15. We have our elastic band 1 by 7. So for the last piece we need 3 by 15. This is where we'll put our elastic. So this one is 10, that's 10 by 70. So you take it to the sewing machine and sew it down. So if you have watched up to this part and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Subscription is free, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you all. Thank you for showing me love, for supporting my channel. Thank you. So after sewing it, you attach your elastic band into the Ankara material and you sew both sides. You sew it just like I'm doing now. You sew the other part. So you turn your long Ankara, turn it to the right side. You take the 4 by 15 piece, attach your safety pin and you insert it inside the long Ankara. Make sure you hold it at the end of the Ankara so that it will not go inside. So you use your pin to hold it down, just like I'm. Then you drag it from the safety pin that is already inside, just like I'm doing. You drag it out. So when you get to the end part of the Ankara, you sew it also. So this is what you do, you sew it down. So after sewing it, you get your elastic band and you attach it. You sew it this way. After sewing it, you turn it out. So this is what it will look like after it. And this is the final outlook. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.